We saw so far how we can add one more paint booth and increase the capacity from 3 to 5. Let us look at the other option, which is to say we will keep one paint booth, but instead of loading one pallet for painting, since the process allows more than one pallet up to 3, why don't we explore that? So we shall increase the pallets processed at the painting booth and see what is its impact on output by not adding a second paint booth. So this is called changing the policy. We operate with a certain policy. Now we are changing the policy and wanting to explore, will it have an impact on output? So we will do that with this exercise. So I have brought back the existing scenario, which is one pallet, which we analyzed already, as you may recall. And as we see here, painting is the bottleneck and our output is 3 pallets per hour, which we have already seen. Let us now ask what happens when you add a second pallet for painting. So when we add a second pallet to the painting, the first thing that we can recognize is while the painting time does not increase, we will get 6 pallets per hour, because you are having 2 pallets and each of these 2 pallets will take, the 2 pallets in all will take 20 minutes. So which means in an hour we would have added 3 times 2 pallets, which makes it 6 pallets. That is how we get this number 6 pallets. But something else happens in the preparation stage. Remember, preparation has 2 parts. Part 1 is setting up the pallet, so that is going to take 4 minutes. But then part 2 is it takes 4 minutes to arrange toys in one pallet. So for pallet 1 you need 4 minutes to arrange the toys, and for pallet 2 you need another 4 minutes to arrange the toys. So you need in all 8 minutes to put the toys in the pallet and 4 minutes to set up the pallet itself. So both of them put together gives you this 12 minutes. That is how the 12 minutes come. So in 12 minutes, if you can get 2 pallets, we could have done it 5 times in an hour, and that is how you get 10 pallets is the capacity. So this stage the capacity changes, we should remember that. So with this revised process, the capacity in the system has changed, and the bottleneck now is pre-treatment, because it is 5 per hour, and at all other stages painting has become 6 and preparation has become 10, inspection is at 12. So it is 5 per hour. So we added a one more pallet as a operating policy change. Let us continue in this, because we can go up to 3 pallets. So let us now try 3 pallets. So moment you add 3 pallets into the painting booth, by the same argument what happens is in 20 minutes you would have got 3 pallets painted. So in the next 20 minutes you would have got another 3 pallets painted, and in the last 20 minutes you would have got 3 more pallets painted. That makes it 9 pallets per hour, which is the painting capacity. Preparation has the same argument that we made before, 4 minutes to prepare the pallet, and for pallet 1 it takes 4 minutes to arrange the toys. For pallet 2 it takes another 4 minutes, and pallet 3 it takes another 4 minutes. So which makes it 12 minutes, and so this 12 minutes plus 4 minutes makes it 16 minutes. That is how this number is coming, and in 16 minutes we get 3 pallets, which means we will get 11.25 pallets per hour. So that is what is happening when the process choice is 3 pallets. Again what we notice is the bottleneck is once again pre-treatment, and the output is 5 per hour. That is what we notice. So what we find now is quite interesting. In the previous example, we added one more painting booth and increased the output from 3 pallets per hour to 5 pallets per hour. What have we done now? We have not invested in a new capacity. There is only one painting booth, but we changed the operating policy and achieved the same output, which is 5 pallets per hour. So the bottleneck once again shifted out of painting, pre-treatment happens to be the bottleneck, and we also notice that because of this policy change, the capacity of the preparatory stage and the capacity of the painting has gone up, although the bottleneck happens to be the pre-treatment stage. So this is interesting. We have not invested in additional capacity, but achieved the same output that we could have achieved by going for a second painting booth, which would be a good cost saving, and without additional cost we are increasing the output from the station.